buy one pareo. Buy the pareo is about 2 meters longer. The pareo about 5-6 feet longer. Don't buy pareo mean 1 meter. 2 or 3 feet means small. Very important. Madam, okay. For you, madam, it's beautiful. Who else is magnifique? Put your hands up. I put the longer the pareo down. I mean la longueur pareo en bas. Comme I did. Look your husband. Look your husband. No. One half for you, one half for me. The first one, le premier, comme I did. Go, I'm covering your teeth. Second, deuxième. Three, troisième. Four. Quatrième. And 5, cinquième. Oh. Up.
All right.
Nice.
C'est sur YouTube.
Cool.
For your husband.
Looks good.
The last one. Sorry, madam, you can cover your titty. It's big titty. maybe him every night. Oh, no. Hey, voilà. Second, Kim, he's your husband.
Yeah.
Okay. Kim. For men, listen. I put the longer the pareo down. Look your wife. Oh, me la longueur de pareo en bas. Up. My friend, you can type on the front because I don't like it touching. Sunshine. Hey, please. One more. Two. Ah, okay, good. Please, sir, open your leg. Help me. The plus important, it's very important, it's not from side. Don't type your pareo. No good. Show him. Show her. No like this, ma'am. No good. You open the pareo, I put the kiki in, ma'am. Yeah, you do it. Up.
Oh, very nice. Oh, nice.
Voila. Voilà.
Yay!
All together for Pichi. Right, Pichi. To the round, be back, madam, back, take a photo back. Voila. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, this is your wife.
He's like, go for it, right?
What's happened?
We're a team.